Hi there. In a previous clip, we were going over the lifetime of a rooftop unit, and we estimated it to be about 20 years. So today's question was, if I have a 20-year-old HVAC unit on my building, should I be replacing it? Well, generally we know it's kind of at the end of its life at that point. Not that it would stop working, but its efficiencies have dropped. So I would say anything over 10 years, you should be looking fairly closely to make sure that it's still efficient and worthwhile for your building and your heating and cooling costs. If not, then it's time to upgrade it. There's all kinds of new Energy Star type compliant features that are coming out on a regular basis. Every year these units are getting better than the year before. So I would definitely say if it's getting even close to the 20-year mark, it's a good idea to give a call, have somebody come take a peek at it, but generally be planning in your life cycle to be replacing these every 15 to 20 years. Okay, folks, have a great day. I hope that answers that question. Remember, you can ask us any questions at Total Plumbing and Heating at West Kelowna Plumbers with an S.com.